Get to know the RCA7 Voyager 2. Operating on Android Lollipop, the 7 Voyager 2 offers many exciting features, including new styling, multi-user support, Google Now cards, and photo editing. The 7 Voyager 2 is perfect for the family, too. With the multiple users feature, you can add new user profiles, keep personal information safe from guest users, and restrict your kids' access to questionable content. Powered by a convincing 1.4 GHz quad-core processor, the 7 Voyager 2 is built to perform. Storage isn't an issue either, with 8 GB of onboard storage and support for an additional 32 GB via microSD card. That's a lot of space! Small enough to carry on the go, the 7-inch screen produces an outstanding picture, while easy to handle in your hands. The front-facing 2-megapixel camera is perfect for snapping photos and video on the go. Of course, the RCA7 Voyager 2 is Google Play certified. Catch up on some reading, play your favorite games, or stream a classic movie. With the 7 Voyager 2, you have access to Google Play's entire impressive library of apps. The 7 Voyager 2 is functional and capable with micro USB and SD card inputs. Use Bluetooth to pair with nearby devices. With RCA tablets, you can explore a world of possibilities for less.